Meaning of FPO.
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 FPO. FPO stands for Follow-on Public Offering, which is a process by which a publicly traded company issues new shares of its stock to the public in order to raise funds. This is done after the company has already completed its initial public offering, IPO, and is listed on a stock exchange. In a follow-on public offering, the company can offer additional shares to the public at a higher price than the initial IPO price, allowing the company to raise additional capital for growth or other purposes. FPOs are a common way for publicly traded companies to raise funds and increase their liquidity and can be viewed as a sign of confidence in the company's growth prospects.